Gotta do some sanding? In this video, we're gonna look at how to make some cheap and easy to make sanding sticks, which can really help you out on your sanding projects. So all we need to do to make our simple sanding sticks are some sandpaper of varying grits for whatever size you need for your project, just a handful of simple paint stirrers that you can pick up for free at most big home stores, and some spray adhesive. So what I'm going to do for this project is basically just create a few sticks of different grades, and what I'm actually going to do, make one side a coarse grit and one side a fine grit. For this purpose, I'm not going to use the really coarse grit sandpaper. I'm just going to use the medium and fine grit sandpaper. And you can see that you can obviously do many sticks, for each one of these sheets, but it works out where the sheet is almost exactly the same length as the stirrer stick from where the handle part is up to the top. And so you can easily apply quite a few of these sticks. I only picked up 5 of them, so that's all I can do here. But you can probably fit in, close to 10 of these on one sheet if you really wanted to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give a quick spray of the adhesive on here, and then place each of the stirrer sticks onto the sandpaper. And then using a utility knife, I'll go ahead and remove the paper from each side of the stirrer sticks. And I'm wearing the gloves because I don't want to get the glue all over my fingers when I take the paper off. Okay, so now I have these sticks with a layer of sandpaper on one side. So I'm going to basically go ahead and repeat the process with the fine grit sandpaper. Again, do a coating of the spray adhesive. Apply the paint stirrer sticks. And we'll go ahead and cut away the excess. Okay, and that is it. So there we have it. The sandpaper that I picked up was basically $3 for 4 sheets. And so if you were to really maximize it, you could easily do 10 of these sanding sticks, using just 2 sheets, one for the front and one for the back. And then you're looking at roughly about $2 total cost to make 10 of these sticks. So, on the order of 20 cents a piece. And so really they're obviously very economical, and you can make a whole bunch of them really fast. And this does make sanding a lot easier for certain applications. So there you go, cheap, easy to make sanding sticks, which you can make for less than 20 cents a piece using just paint stirrer sticks, spray adhesive, and sandpaper. These will really go a long way to helping you out on your sanding projects when you have to do a lot of small areas that you need to keep perpendicular and not round over the corners. And it can really make things a lot more enjoyable than trying to sand things by hand. It's more effective than using a sanding sponge. And again, less than 20 cents a piece to make, a very cheap, effective way to improve your sanding projects. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.